What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C Will back at it with another slight, I repeat, another slight video, man. Look, today's video, CEEFAM. About to head over to the wrap shop, man. Well, to the tent shop, you know. Shout out to my guy Scott over there, man, at Dark Side Window Tinting, man. So this right here, bro, is the guy that obviously tinted our Hellcat, man, the first time that we got it tinted. You know what I mean, y'all? So I'm gonna just take y'all, man, back over there by that shop. You heard me, man? So as y'all know, if y'all don't know, bro, today is what, November 3rd? Well, I'm sorry, November 4th. You know, so I like to keep y'all boys in the loop. You know, so gotta ship the car out, y'all. You know, we shipping the Hellcat out tomorrow, bro, November 5th. You know what I mean, y'all? So yeah, gotta go pick up the rental today. You know, all that good stuff, man. So yeah, gotta pick up a rental to go down there, bro. My wife gonna follow me and all that, man. And yeah, bro, you know, gotta ship the car out to Germany, bro. I really didn't want to ship it, CEEFAM, but man, it is what it is, y'all. I'm getting the window tint taken off because I guess in Germany, CEEFAM, like you can't have tint, you know what I mean, on the front window, or on the front driver's side window, and you also can't have tint on the passenger front side window, man. And also, bro, like I have like this little window strip or whatever on my front windshield, CEEFAM. I don't think I can have that either. You know what I mean? So yeah, it is what it is, bro. Like once I get my car registered and stuff in Germany for 2 years, so you can get your stuff out there registered for 2. I think it's 2 or 3 years. The 3-year one costs a little more. 2 years is a little bit cheaper, bro. So yeah, once I do that, I'm throwing that good 5% back on there. Good. I need that bit. No cap. I need that 5% tint back on, bro. But man, I don't want to get in trouble out there, y'all, with the Polizei. The Polizei. Yeah, that's police in Germany, bro. In German, Polizei. You know. So yeah, bro. I don't know. I'm kind of debating, CEEFAM, if I want to say it, just leave it bare, but it'll look weird, bro. Like, you know, having window tint on all my rears, but not having no window tint on my front 2 windows. Tough, bro. The car might look crazy after this, bro. But yeah, man, yo, I got a lot of stuff going on, bro. A lot of stuff that needs to happen, CEEFAM. Like, man, bro, shipping your car is stressful, bro. I gotta do a full detail, bro, on this car. Man, I should pay somebody to do it, CEEFAM, but honestly speaking, bro, like nobody gonna clean your car the way you gonna clean your car, bro. You know, so I'm gonna take an extensive, man, 2-3 hours, bro, and just detail my car, y'all. I thought about making a video on that, man. People like to see like car detailing videos, especially, you know what I mean, a car like a Hellcat, bro. So yeah, y'all, like I said, bro, today's November 4th, heading out to the wrap shop, or to the tent shop, bro, taking the 2 front windows off, and also my window strip that I have up front. You heard me? So yeah, taking all that off, man. I'm supposed to be there at 10:30. Said I'm gonna be there now about 10:43. So yeah, I'm a little late, but it is what it is, bro. Yeah, look, y'all new to the channel, bro. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Yeah, I appreciate y'all, CEEFAM. And look, comment down below, man. So obviously, bro, like whenever I ship the car, bro, the car gonna take about 2.5 months to get there, bro. You know what I mean? I probably have about 5-6 videos, bro, just in the vault. You know what I mean? I tried to pre-record so that I can leave y'all with content, bro, while the car being shipped, you know, because yeah, while the car being shipped, CEEFAM, I'm not making no videos, man. You know what I mean, bro? Man, I gotta focus on my family, focus on traveling, focus on, man, where we gonna be at. You heard me? I'm taking 52 days of leave, bro, so I don't just have a place back home to just be, or just to chill, or just, you know what I mean, bro? I gotta get a rental car, so when we traveling, we gonna be here in this state, that state, y'all. So it's gonna be a lot of moving pieces, CEEFAM. So yeah, man, just gotta figure out, bro, like where we gonna be at the next 52 days, you know? I got business in Hawaii I need to take care of with my other car that's over there. I'm trying to sell that. So it's a lot that's going on, CEEFAM, that's happening behind closed doors that you don't even know about, man. But yeah, I appreciate everybody here, man, who rock with me, who support me, bro, who been there through good times, bad times, bro. I appreciate the hate comments, bro. You know what I mean, y'all? Like, one thing about people, CEEFAM, people always gonna hate because it ain't them. You know what I mean, bro? Like people always say, bro, like, if you don't got haters, bro, you ain't doing nothing right. You know what I mean? Or you doing something wrong. You know what I mean, y'all? So, and it's weird that people hate on a person like me. You know what I mean? But, man, people gonna hate on you, CEEFAM, because they not you, CEEFAM. Repeat that again, bro, for the people that it went over your head. People hate you because they not you. You see what I mean, bro? Like, as far as, like, people hating on my finance videos, bro. Man, all the people that hate on me, bro, is the people that A, can't afford it, B, don't have a Hellcat, or C, just not me in general. Keep it straightforward like that, CEEFAM. I don't give nobody a reason to hate on me, bro. If I could take each and every one of y'all by the hand, bro, and walk y'all through and uplift y'all, bro, I would do that, bro, but I can't. All I can do, bro, is influence y'all, motivate y'all to the best of my capacity, to the best of my ability, CEEFAM, and just go from there, bro. You know what I mean? That's it. You know, but yeah, bro, I'm gonna start taking like the first 5 or so minutes, bro, in each video, bro, to just chop it up with y'all, let y'all know status, let y'all know everything, man, rap with y'all. I feel like I don't talk to y'all enough, man. You know, it's all about the car, but man, like, this channel should be the, man, motivate y'all, bro. You know what I mean? Give y'all a piece of my mind. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, like, probably shit. We got, hold up. We got, let me see, bro. We got 51 more minutes, y'all, until we even get to the shop. You heard me? So y'all see it, man. So yeah, this boy got to come off too. So man, this truck just going slow. I'm finna pass buddy up. Hold on, boy. Yeah, I ain't gonna pass up bro right now, but yeah, bro, I see y'all boys whenever we get to this shop, man. 50 minutes, bro. Yo, like, man, this car just sounds so good, man. Like, you know, I'm really thinking about y'all, like, digging into, like, I don't know, like a different platform, bro. I.e., said maybe BMW, you know. I was looking at the M3s, bro, but I would only get a BMW M3, not the M4. Just, obviously, the M3 got 4 doors, y'all, right? So yeah, that's the only way I would go BMW, bro, is if I go M3 or if I go M5, bro, with the all-wheel. Like I said, they both got to be all-wheel. The M3 got to have that X-Drive package, you know, that make it all-wheel. I don't want to do rear-wheel drive, bro, having an M3, bro, hell no. So honestly, I will only do that, and then, bro, Trackhawk, bro. Those are the only 2 cars I really want, CEEFAM. I've had everything else, you know. Just a quick little I don't know, I don't want to say a fact. Yeah, basically a quick little fact, right? I was looking at the Trackhawks before I even got this car, like, first, promise y'all. But like I said, y'all, I didn't get a Trackhawk, man, because obviously, bro, every single Trackhawk out there either got super high miles or they're priced really high with low to decent miles. I'm talking about, bro, Trackhawk, bro, nowadays with 20,000 miles, even if it's 2021, bro, 2019 or whatever, bro, that's going for like 90-something thousand. And I'm like, man, I'm not paying that, man. You know, and I mean, I'm kind of against, like, getting a car, bro, with over 20,000 miles, especially a damn Trackhawk engine, bro. Well, a supercharger engine, bro. You know what I mean? I don't trust it, man. You know, because even if the Carfax and all that stuff look good, CEEFAM, guess what? You don't know how that previous owner took care of that car, right? I know me, shit, I'm not getting no Trackhawk, CEEFAM, to just baby it and just, hell, like, who get a Trackhawk to leave it in the garage and baby it? Nah, them 20,000 miles that's on that Trackhawk, you might think that's low, but a real car enthusiast, somebody that really know cars, gonna be like, nah, bro, 20,000 miles on a Hawk. Shit, boy, that's, like, how many of those 20,000 miles are really just highway or traveling miles, CEEFAM? You don't know. How many of the miles, bro, is, you know what I mean, races from a dig, races from a road? You not gonna know. I don't care if the Carfax looks good, they got it serviced every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Okay, they look good on paper, but honestly, me, CEEFAM, I don't trust it, bro. So yeah, that's what I was thinking about getting, man, a Trackhawk, bro. Like just the miles and the price. Like, I never found one that really, like, lined up with me, you know. So yeah, this right here was my next best option, man. You know, a lot of people think, oh man, I downgraded from Redeye to a regular Hellcat. Like I said, y'all, like, the Redeye came with, hold up. But yeah, the Redeye, man, came with 797 horses, bro, from the factory stock. Yo, I never took the car to the track. I don't, you know what I mean? I don't really race, bro, unless somebody really try me, bro. I might do something crazy, but you know what I mean, y'all? Like, bro, like, it's pointless to have that car, bro. You know, I got that car just as a milestone accomplishment for me, you know, just to let y'all know, shit, I'm just like y'all. It's possible if you stay focused and all that, bro. You can get a Redeye, you can get a Trackhawk, you can get all these cars, bro. You know what I mean? That your favorite YouTuber got. It's doable, it's attainable. You just gotta work hard. So yeah, bro, like, that's why, man, like, the Redeye for me, it just wasn't for me. You know, I had that car over a year, paid on it, man, made all my payments, great, modded it, wrapped it, got my content out of it, man, and shit, on to the next thing, you know. So having that experience of already having a Redeye and seeing the power that I didn't really use, Now it's faster. I can notice a difference going from the Redeye to, you know, 717. It's still cool though. You know, the 717, this Hellcat, I'm cool on it. You know what I mean? It's cool. Like, you know, I daily my car, bro, and it's a blessing to say that I can afford to daily a Hellcat, bro. You know, a lot of people say, bro, get a daily, bro. Man, no, how about you buy me a daily? How about that? You know? Nah, y'all, but I mean, all in all, bro, like I said, I wanted the Trackhawk, man. The miles compared to the price, bro. I never found one that really lined up. You know, like I feel like to expand my channel, bro, to expand, man, my YouTube journey and all that, bro. Like I've had almost I've had every car I wanted outside of a Trackhawk, you know. So yeah, to expand, bro, to bring like a bigger audience, bro, you know, because most of my people on this channel, bro, is just Dodge people, Mopar people, man, and shit. I love y'all, bro. You know what I mean? Appreciate the Mustang owners who stop in. Appreciate the Camaro owners who stop in. Appreciate, man, all the people from different platforms, bro, who stop in on the channel, bro, and show love. Whether you show love or hate, man, hey, you know, it should let me know I'm doing something right. You know what I mean, y'all? So yeah, that's why, bro, I didn't go Trackhawk, because the miles to the price, it wasn't good for me. Didn't really make sense. I don't trust a used supercharged car, bro, with more than like 10,000 miles, even 10,000. Like I said, I bought this car, y'all, with 5,000 miles, bro. You know, now we at almost 14,000 miles. So shit, bro, I'm driving my car, bro. I don't care, bro. I'm not letting it winterize in the garage or sit or get a daily and only drive my car on the weekend, bro. I don't care about none of that, bro. I pay too much, bro, to just let the car sit. I work too hard to just let the car sit, bro. So, but yeah, I'm always looking though, y'all. I'm always looking on shit. What's the next best deal? What's, you know, so shit. If I see a Trackhawk, goddamn shit, in Germany, which I doubt it, and if I do, I know that bitch gonna be 30,000 over sticker and shit. If it's not none of that, bro, then shit, I might pull the trigger, bro. But if I see a BMW M3, knowing that, you know, BMWs are more common out there, bro, so the price might not be too steep. If I see a M3 CEEFAM, that's the next direction that I'm going with the channel, bro. Y'all heard it from me first, bro. Don't want a TRX, don't want none of that other stuff, bro. Like, you know, like, yeah, BMW M3 X-Drive, boy. If it's not the X-Drive, if it's not all-wheel, bro, I need the carbon bucket seats. I need all of that, bro. You heard me? So hopefully I can get a sunroof in that boy too. I don't have a sunroof in this. Didn't have a sunroof in my Redeye, but I did have a sunroof in my ZL1, right? So, man, shout out Barstow, bro. This is Barstow, man. You know, something funny, bro. I don't know if y'all watch Fast and Furious, bro. Whenever Tyrese was like, oh, well, I think Tyrese told Paul Walker. Paul Walker told Tyrese, oh yeah, blah, 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 blah. You gonna take your ass back to Barstow. Bro, this is Barstow, bro. I never knew where bro was talking about. Bro, Barstow is the desert, dog. You know what I mean? So it makes sense why bro said that. You know what I mean? Shit, take your ass back to Barstow. Shit, Tyrese, like, I'm not going back to Barstow. And I see why. Yo, look at this. Plain Jane Desert, bro. You know? Look this. The outlets at Barstow. Shout out to the outlets, man. Outlets are fire, bro. But yeah, man, shit, I holler at y'all, man. Just wanted to rap to y'all, bro. Once I actually get to, oh, hold on, boy, I might do a little light baby pool right here. Hey, I'm pushing that boy too now, bro. The downshift, I mean, the downshift, the upshifts, crazy on this boy. All right, bro, that's enough, bro. I'm out of here, bro. All right, CEEFAM. So hopefully y'all can hear me, bro. Man, I'm like right in front of the highway. See that? Highway going crazy. But yeah, look, just now pulled up, man, to my guy Scott's shop. Well, part of his shop, man. So shit, shout out Evoke Motorsports, bro. I'm sorry, Evoke Off-Road. Damn, I feel like an ass. But yeah, man, so look, just want to give y'all a little preview of how the car look right now, man. Like I said, y'all, Germany laws, I can't have 5% tint all the way around. It is what it is, right? So yeah, I'll show y'all how the car look right now. So y'all, this right here is exactly how the car look as of right now, man. You know, man, I love how the wheels play off this color, bro. You know, so yeah, like I said, bro, gotta take this front window off, my little strip that I have. Gotta take, man, my little strip off, bro. They said it can be, I guess, 4 inches. So I'm gonna see, man. But yeah, I might take that off. And then also gotta take this board right here off too, man. So yeah, like I said, this was 5%, bro, all the way around, CEEFAM. Sheesh. Bro, what y'all think of the whip, man? Y'all like the color? Y'all still rocking with it or what, man? Let me know. Let your boy C Will know. But yeah, y'all, look, appreciate y'all for stopping in, man. Finna go hit up my guy Scott and just see what's up, man. You know, gotta see what's up with it, bro. So look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, bro. Feel like this gonna mess up the look of my car, but it is what it is. Bro, look at this. Boy's got a Porsche out here, bro. See, that's how I know something, bro. I need to get my damn money up, man. They got a Porsche out here. What up, my boy? All right, CEEFAM, look, man, so just now got back in the whip. You know, just got the car back, bro. Man, look at this. Y'all could probably see the difference from the back window back there to this. It's crazy work, bro. So, yeah, man, shit. Just finished getting the car, I guess, untinted. You know what I mean? Feels weird, bro. I don't really feel like heat or whatever coming through here yet. But, man, look at this. See how dark that is back there? And then we got, man, it's crazy work, bro. Look at this shit, bro. But it is what it is, bro. Definitely gonna be incompliant, bro, in Germany. I don't know how I feel, bro. Everybody could just see me now, bro. I can't, you know what I mean? Can't be incognito no more, bro. But shit, with a car wrap like this, bro, shit, people gonna look anyways, right? So it is what it is, CEEFAM. But yeah, bro, now I'm finna head over to get my oil change, man. I'll probably make that a separate video, bro, just to, you know what I mean, keep the content going, bro. You know, I could really put both of these things that I'm doing today, y'all, in one video, bro. But nah, man. So my oil change is supposed to be at 12:15. It's currently 12:37, bro. So I had to modify it and push it back to 12:45. So yeah, man. You know, taking off the tint kind of took longer than I anticipated, right? So yeah, finna do that, man. So I'll probably show y'all how the car look, man, on the outside, and then in the video, and then shit also start the next video, which is getting my final oil change, bro, getting my services and all that stuff done, how much it costs, right? All that to maintain a Hellcat, service a Hellcat, man. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so look, this is how the car looks, bro. As of right now, man, man, the tint, no tint, fishbowl, feel like an amateur, bro. But yeah, that's how it look, bro. Ah, my God, bro. I can't believe I'm riding around like this, CEEFAM. I feel like this kind of messed up the view of the car, the overall look. But I'm not mad at it, though, man, you know. Yeah, hopefully, bro, shit, get everything going, man, you know. I'm excited to go to Germany, bro. This car gonna look like a damn, I don't know. It'll look like a gym in Germany, though, y'all. You know, I'm pretty sure out there, bro, they gonna have, man, BMWs, all these Volkswagen, all that, bro. So shit, when I pop out with this boy in Germany, they gonna be like, damn, who that? It's your boy C Will, man, with the CEEFAM coming through, taking over Germany, man. So yeah, y'all, look, appreciate y'all for stopping in, man. Literally just now got to the service, right? Just now got to, what is it, Victor Motors or whatever, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, whatever the hell this shit called. You know, finna get the car serviced, man. I'm gonna let y'all know how much it costs, all that good stuff, bro, what I'm getting done today and everything, man. So look, man, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man, all that good stuff, bro. I'm C Will, I'm nothing without y'all, and y'all my CEEFAM, and I'll holla at y'all on the next one, baby.